The internet is cloning you. Let's talk about that. The internet is a wild place full of wonder, mystery, and intrigue, as well as a lot of cat photos and pictures leaked to the internet by your executive producer who thought it would be funny to cause you months worth of anxiety and pain just because he thought it would be a joke to make fun of the one time that you let loose in your entire life. Anyways, this video is about the internet and stuff, which I'm sure you guys are not very familiar with. The production of the internet was put forth by the U.S. government in the 1960s. It was made to be a robust, yet fault-tolerant platform. Fault-tolerant. To be tolerant of faults. And let's face it, the internet has plenty of those. Despite this, a survey in the year 2013 showed a 10% increase in the amount of people in developing countries who began using the internet. If this trend continues, by the year 2021, 111% of these people in developing countries will begin using the internet. I don't even know how that's possible, but in a world that's ran by this guy, I guess anything is. Oh, wrong picture. Oh, there we go. Now here's where things get creepy. You see, 100% of all studies done by people with nothing better to do with their lives has shown one thing. The internet is spying on you. Specifically search engines. That's right. Everything you type in or search can be and is recorded when you visit search engines such as Google or Google. See, I had originally believed that this was the end of my investigation, but that was before I received a cryptic email from a mysterious monk of truth and justice. A man who refused to stay silent in times of unjust behaviorisms. A man like Ratchet and Clank fan _29. This hero got right to the point in his message, which I will display now. The message reads as follows. Hey, your videos are really great. I'm surprised they don't have more views. My brother has made $1,000 per year just by subscribing to my channel and clicking the link to my website. It's all free too. Just create a profile, download the Wizard 101 docs, and enter your credit card number. If you have any questions or experience any further difficulties, just keep entering that credit card number. For best results, disable your firewall and ignore all security alerts. Those were put there by spammers. What happens if you click that link, you may ask? Well, you find this recording between two founders of the internet, Claude Shannon and Vannevar Bush. Quick heads up, the two speak in a very complex code when discussing their evil plan. But if you listen carefully, you too will hear the darning evidence that supports this investigation.
One of the people who made the internet and stuff. What are you doing today? It's me, Vannevar Bush. I'm just thinking about how cool it would be to spy on people when they get on the internet. We could take all of their information and make a clone out of them because we know everything about them. I'm Claude Shannon. But wouldn't that be a This is Vandermeer Bush talking again. Yes, what a delightful show. I would say that it is the bee's knees. Everyone should subscribe to Conspiracy Talk. Even I know that. And I'm Vandermeer Bush. Yes, the world would be a much better place if people would subscribe to Conspiracy Talk. They really know what they're doing over there. They take a very long time to make their videos, and they should really get more views, shouldn't they? Yes. Click the yellow button to subscribe to Conspiracy Talk right now. Hurry, they're coming.
Perhaps now the world can truly trust
Hello, Cribson.
creepy robot voice who originally appeared in Math is Alive for no apparent reason and is now only really here to kill a few seconds. What are you doing here?
You have dug too deep into the mysteries of the internet, Cribson. The world must not know the truth.
So you're saying that we should just block all the information on the internet that we do not want the public to know, like North Korea does?
Well, no, because they're insane.
Let's not be so quick to judge, huh? I mean, their phishing capabilities have increased tenfold in the past 2 years.
I did not know that.
Yeah, not a lot of people do, so.
Dominic, it's time to eat.
Well, I'm still telling the world the truth.
We will see about that. Enjoy your mashed potatoes, Cribson.
What is that supposed to mean? Well, I guess that ends this video. And remember, answers are key to everything.
Dominic, can't you hear me?